morning, children. In last class, which lesson we started? Lesson number 6. What is lesson number 6? The coastal plains and islands. Lesson number 6. The coastal plains and island. So in last class we started lesson number 6. From to till where we stop, life in western coastal plains in the to till Gujarat we stop now. Now we have to continue from Maharashtra. So before that, what is coast means? A coast is a vast structure of land along the sea. In coastal area, what is coast means? A vast stretch. So listeners, a coast is a vast stretch of land along the sea is known as what? Coast. So what do you mean by coast? A coast is a vast structure of land along the sea. So how many coastal plains are there? What is coast means? A vast structure of a land along the sea is known as coast. So in coast, how many types are there? There are two types of coast. Two types of coast. One is western coastal plain and another one is eastern coastal plain. So understood, children? There are two types of coast. One is western coastal plains and another one is eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plain is narrow strip of land lying between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Where is the western coast? Between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, there is a western coastal plains. It stretches from Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the east. It is divided into three coasts. Which are the three coasts? Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. These western Ghats are divided into three coasts. Western coast three division ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಗುಜರಾತ್ coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Next, the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Where we can see the eastern coastal plains? Between the Eastern Ghats and the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Middle between them, we can see the eastern coastal plain. This includes parts of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. It is wider than the western coastal plains. The northern part of eastern coastal region is called the Northern Sea Ghats and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. Eastern coastal north part na Northern Sea Ghats anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ south part na Coromandel coast ಅಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form large deltas before draining into the Bay of Bengal. The rivers have made the plains fertile. The main occupation of the people is agriculture and fishing. river. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers make the land in this state very fertile. Ports in West Bengal support international trade. Rice and jute are the main crops. Dasara is the major festival here and is celebrated as Durga Puja for 5 days. Kali Puja is celebrated in a big way in Kolkata. Gambhira dance is famous in Kolkata. Which is the dance form famous in Kolkata? Gambhira dance. It is famous in Kolkata. Odisha. Odisha is a fertile state and is watered by the river Mahanadi. The coastal region of the state is hit by major storms almost every year. It is the capital. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Puri and Cuttack are other important cities. The main crop grown is rice. Rice is majorly grown in the Odisha. Odisha is rich in what? Odisha is rich in minerals. Which is the important industry in the Odisha? Mining. Mining is an important industry. Which language is spoken here in Odisha? ಯಾವ language ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಡಿಶಾದಲ್ಲಿ? Which is the language spoken in Odisha? Odia is the language spoken. Odissi is the popular dance form. Which is the popular dance form? Odissi is the popular dance form. Paradip is a big port located here. Andhra Pradesh. It has coastal plains in the east. The state is watered by the Krishna and Godavari. The port at Visakhapatnam is one of the most important ports in India and is famous for its shipyard. It is also known as oil refinery and iron and steel plant. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh for the present. Till the proposed smart city of Amaravati gets ready. So which is the capital of which is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Now Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. So which is the biggest port of Andhra Pradesh? Visakhapatnam is the port. Port means in port andrenu ಹಡಗುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಜಾಗ ನಾವು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in the south of India. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is the fourth largest city of India. Agriculture is the main occupation. Crops like rice, cotton, sugarcane, groundnuts, oilseeds and tobacco are grown here. Silk industry employs a large number of people. Shivakashi is famous for its cracker industries, matchbox industries and lithium printing. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. Tamil is spoken largely in Tamil Nadu. Which language is spoken in Tamil Nadu? Tamil language. The other languages spoken here are Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu and Kannada. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu is the southernmost part of the mainland. This is the place where the three water bodies meet. Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south and Arabian Sea in the west. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is a popular tourist destination. Puducherry. Puducherry was earlier known as Pondicherry. It is an union territory. It lies on the Coromandel coast south of Chennai. Aurobindo Ashrama located here is a famous spiritual tourist Which is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar is the capital. It lies in the northern part of the western coastal plains. Gandhinagar is its capital. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is one of the largest cotton textile centers in India. Salt making is the main industry in Gujarat. Trading and farming are the main occupation of the people of the state. Bajra and jowar are the main crops grown here. The other crops grown here are groundnuts, cotton and tobacco. Dairy farming is an important industry. Language spoken here are Gujarati. Sabarmati Ashrama established by Mahatma Gandhiji is the most favorite tourist spot in Gujarat. Next is to deal Gujarat we learned in last class. Now is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital yadu Mumbai. What is the main occupation of these people? Trading is the main occupation of the people. Mumbai is famous for the Hindi film industry called as Bollywood. Mumbai andre Maharashtra Mumbai jaga, so the famous for the Hindi film industry adu famous is called as Bollywood. The seabed of the Konkan coast has a very rich oil field called Mumbai High. Mumbai means it is a oil field center. The most common languages spoken here are Marathi and Hindi. Which is the language spoken here? Marathi and Hindi are the languages spoken here. Nagpur, Pune, Sholapur are some important cities of Maharashtra. Alibag, a coastal town, is known for its beaches. The gateway of India is the landmark of Mumbai. So another one, what is Maharashtra famous for? It is famous for Ganesha Chaturthi. Ganesha Chaturthi na elli tumba chanagi tumba grand ಆಗಿ celebrate ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ in the Maharashtra. Next is Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India in terms of area. Panaji is its capital. So now India is the smallest state. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa is the smallest state of India and its capital is what? Panaji is the capital. The state is known for its beautiful beaches and is a major tourist attraction. Goa is a tourist state. And the tourist places yadu Goa. Marmagao is the biggest port of Goa. Goa dali Marmagao is the biggest port. The main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. Our occupation side farming and fishing. Agriculture and fishing. Farmers grow coconuts, cashew nuts, rice, black pepper, mangoes and bananas. People speak Konkani and English. ಯಾವ languages ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ? Konkani ಮತ್ತೆ English. Mandu is the popular dance form. Which is the popular dance form of Goa? Mandu is the popular dance form. Next, Karnataka. The coastal areas of Karnataka Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are not single islands, it is an archipelago. The northern group is called Andaman and the southern group is called Nicobar Islands. North part na Andaman antivi, south part na Nicobar antivi. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? Port Blair. Which is the occupation? Agriculture is the main occupation. The southernmost point of India is called Indira Point is in Nicobar Island. Indira Point, where is the Indira Point? It is the southernmost point. Indira Point is the southernmost point. Where it is? It is in the Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of 572 islands, of which only 38 are inhabited. Even though the climate is warm, it is very pleasant because of the fresh, cool sea breeze which is always blowing. The languages spoken in this region are Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Nicobarese and Telugu. So these are the languages spoken in the Andaman and Nicobar. Its natural scenic beauty makes it a famous tourist destination. It is popular for fishing and water sports like scuba diving and windsurfing. So it is very famous. Yavuduke fishing and water sports. Water aata scuba diving and windsurfing. Next is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a group of islands located in the Arabian Sea. It is the smallest union territory of India. So Lakshadweep another union territory. It is the smallest union territory. It is an archipelago of 36 islands, of which only 10 are inhabited. So which is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands? Kavaratti. It is very famous for coral reef deposits. So which is the main occupation of this Lakshadweep Island? Agriculture. Main crop, coconut is the main crop. Spices such as pepper, clove, nutmeg and cinnamon are also grown here. There are many small scale and handicraft industries. There are some industries also. So Malayalam and English are the official language spoken in this state or union territory. See, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Lakshadweep Island, Kavaratti. Next, see children, this finished your lesson number 6. In next class we can continue. Thank you children.